Oh, good morning. Good timing. I thought you were gone. Call.
Let me just get the miles.
Oh, the key, yeah. There you go.
Thank you.
And there is my ride. Things are getting back to the normal routine of taking her to school, picking her up, that kind of stuff. So for the next little while, we're normal. Well, except for one thing. I no longer have my Jaguar. That's right. The lease on the Jag is up, is over. So I returned the Jaguar, and right now I only have this Tesla Model X. So now I have two choices, and I could use your help on this, because first choice is I could get another car. But then I started thinking, do I really need another car? And here's the dilemma. You see, I work from home. My wife doesn't work. We very, very seldom ever need two cars at the same time. Like that the number of time where I use the car and my wife used the car at the same time, actually I can't remember the last time. So there's always a car just sitting there doing nothing, right? So when I'm taking a Model X, normally the Jaguar will just be sitting at home, right? So the question, should I get another car? Now, I could add another car, and that would be fine. But instead of doing that, you know, the financial planning in me, because you know that's what I come from. I come from a financial planning background. And budgeting, that kind of stuff, personal finance, how to invest the money so you can grow your assets. Right? That's kind of back where I came from. So the financial planning in me is telling me to say, nah, forget it. That $250,000, $300,000 that you're going to spend on another car, put that in an investment. But you know, the I guess, for lack of a better word, the guy want to show off in me wants to get another fancy sports car. Okay. And so the question is, you know, do I get another car or do I just put the money into investment? Now, there's a lot of great reason for choosing to just stick with one car. The first thing is that I don't really need it. The second thing was when I was reminded of the power of growth, investment, and compound interest. Like when Tesla first came out with the Model S, I was tempted to actually buy it. Back then it was $60,000, and I had $60,000 sitting in my dividend account. You know, the dividend I received from various companies that I have an investment in, and it was in there. And instead of, I actually used that to buy a Tesla Model S. But instead of buying the Model S, I used the 60 grand to buy Tesla stocks. Now, that was I think 5 years ago. 5 years ago. Now, if I still have the Tesla Model S 5 years ago, I mean, if I actually bought the Tesla Model S, 60 grand 5 years ago, today it would probably be worth half of that, maybe $25,000. So basically, I would have ended up with $25,000. But because I bought the Tesla stock instead, today those $60,000 of stock is worth. Actually, I should check, but I believe it's worth over $750,000 right now. Yeah, but I'll double check on the stock. But I think it's $750,000-$800,000. Right? So $25,000 car, or $750,000 of stock. Now, imagine this with $250,000-$300,000, which is the situation I'm in now. This is if I'm going to get another sports car, that's what I'm going to be spending $250,000 to $300,000. So and I look again, 5 years from now, I'll have a sports car that's worth half that much, $125,000, $150,000. Imagine what the investment would be worth in 5 years, right? So it's one of those things, right? But the other thing is that I don't have a sports car, right? And I can't show off. So I want to know, what would you do in my situation? Now, let me clear this straight. First of all, spending $250,000, spending $250,000 to $300,000 on a car will not make one dent in my finances at all. It will not affect me in any way whatsoever. Right? Yeah. So based on that, would you still invest it, or would you actually use it to get the toy, so to speak? So let me know. Leave it in the comment. I want to hear what you guys think. Like, it was kind of funny because last few months while I was driving, I was like looking for cars. I went to see Lamborghini, went to see Aston Martin, when they saw this thing, but all the time I was thinking, I'm gonna replace the Jag with this or that. And now that actually the Jag is gone, and I've been just driving this car, I'm starting to wonder if I actually really need another car. So that's what brings this about. So let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear what you got to say. All right, so leave it below. Yeah. Time to give the car a wash. This stop on red traffic control kind of reminds me of a drag strip. Ready to race? Ready? Here we go. Yeah. Yeah, nice and clean.